All right, it's time now for our official money tip. We put one of these together for you every single week. And this week, I know it's not fun to think about, but yes, you have to do your taxes. And so when you start thinking about doing your taxes online, I mean, there are so many different sites to choose from. So in this week's money tip, we go through site by site, try to give you an idea which site, which service is the best one for you to use. Like, first up, if it's your first time doing your taxes ever, TurboTax is probably the one for you. It can do most of the work for you, especially if you have a simple return, as you also have the free edition. There's also Deluxe and Premier. I'm just going through some of the highlights here on the show. Of course, you can always get more information in this particular tip on the site. If you need help filing, you want to turn to the pros, maybe at H&R Block. You can file taxes online and add support from a tax pro at any point in the process. Free online options best with those with a W-2, with or without children, and rent the place that you live. Of course, there's also Deluxe Premium Self-Employed. We have, of course, all the pricing for you, too. If you choose to go with TaxAct, you may be able to receive a bonus with your tax refund. They're offering up to a $100 refund bonus by putting part of your refund on gift cards from a list of popular retailers. Next up, TaxSlayer. And basically, if you want peace of mind that comes with identity protection, you might want to take a look at them. There are 5 different options to choose from. The ultimate package includes tax audit defense as well. And finally, Jackson Hewitt offers step-by-step preparation along with unlimited online support. Their free option is best for filers with simple returns with up to $100,000 taxable income. Of course, they have different tiers and pricing as well. For more information and all the links that you need, look no further than the official homepage of the Kim Komando Show. That is, of course, KOMANDO.com. And once you're there, hit that Show Picks button right on the homepage.